DJI, a leading innovator in the drone industry, is poised to unveil its latest creation, the Mini 5 drone. This upcoming model promises to redefine the expectations for compact drones, offering a harmonious blend of portability and performance that will captivate both novice and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The Mini 5 is poised to seamlessly integrate into the Mini series, renowned for its exceptional combination of size and capability. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the Mini 5 is anticipated to introduce a range of enhancements that elevate its appeal to a broader audience. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 is its impressive flight time. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the drone is expected to deliver extended endurance, allowing users to explore and capture breathtaking aerial footage for longer periods without interruption. Furthermore, the Mini 5 is likely to incorporate advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safe and effortless navigation in various environments. In terms of camera capabilities, the Mini 5 is rumored to feature a high-resolution sensor capable of capturing stunning images and videos. Additionally, the drone may be equipped with intelligent shooting modes, simplifying the process of capturing professional-quality content, even for those with limited photography experience. The Mini 5 is poised to offer a compelling combination of portability, performance, and user-friendly features, making it a versatile and appealing option for both recreational and professional drone users. As DJI prepares to launch this exciting new addition to its Mini series, the drone community eagerly awaits the opportunity to experience the innovative features and exceptional capabilities that the Mini 5 has to offer. While the DJI Neo is a more pocket-sized option designed primarily for personal vlogging, the Mini 5 series is ideal for those seeking to experience the true essence of aerial photography. With its potential for higher flights, the Mini 5 promises to deliver stunning visuals. The DJI Neo and Mini 5 series cater to different needs in aerial photography. The Neo, a compact option, is perfect for personal vlogging due to its small size. In contrast, the Mini 5 series is designed for those seeking a more immersive aerial photography experience. Its ability to fly higher allows for breathtaking aerial shots. DJI is anticipated to introduce innovative features in the Mini 5 series. However, due to weight restrictions, the extent of these upgrades may be limited. Nonetheless, the Mini 5 is expected to offer significant improvements, especially in image quality. One of the most anticipated features of the DJI Mini 5 is a significant upgrade to its sensor. This larger sensor is expected to deliver a substantial improvement in image quality, capturing more detail and producing sharper, more vibrant photos. This enhancement will make the Mini 5 an ideal choice for those looking to capture stunning aerial shots, whether for personal or professional purposes. DJI is anticipated to unveil the Mini 5 in November of this year, and likely the company will also release a Pro version. While the Pro model is expected to offer incremental upgrades over its predecessor, the base Mini 5 is poised to make a significant impact on the market. With its combination of a larger sensor, improved dynamic range, enhanced low-light performance, and a respectable flight time of 40 minutes, the Mini 5 presents a compelling option for beginners and enthusiasts alike. The larger sensor in the Mini 5 will allow it to capture more light, resulting in improved image quality, especially in low-light conditions. This will enable users to take beautiful aerial photos even in challenging lighting scenarios. Additionally, the improved dynamic range will help the Mini 5 to capture a wider range of tones, ensuring that details in both bright and dark areas of the image are preserved. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 is shaping up to be a promising addition to the drone market. With its enhanced image quality, impressive flight performance, and user-friendly design, it has the potential to become a popular choice for those looking to explore the world of aerial photography.